house is made of bricks and beams. A home.
At Restore Motion, we believe that no structure is ever truly gone as long as the foundation holds.
Today, we start our most ambitious journey, reclaiming a sanctuary from the ruins.
First, we must peel back the layers of neglect. The forest must give back what it took.
Every shard is a piece of a puzzle we intend to solve.
Strip it down to the bones. Only then can we see the truth of the structure.
Cleaning away the past to prepare for the future. Listen to the stone breathe again. A new crown for the King of the Lake.
The color returns. The light is no longer a stranger here.
Craftsmanship is the language of the past. We are simply translating it.
The heartbeat of the home is under our feet. Smooth, solid, and timeless.
Fire brings life. This hearth has been cold for too long.
We restore the house. Nature does the rest.
The first fire in 100 years. The house is officially awake.
Peace. This is what motion is for. To arrive at a place like this,
A sanctuary reclaimed. A history reborn. Restore motion. Reclaiming history.